Hello traders, in this video we are going to be talking about the FX Pro Silver Robot EA. Before we dive into the EA properly, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in, but is in the link in the description below. Alright, so let's get to it. This is a silver focused trading system. So let's go through what the developer says, the strategy, and my honest thoughts after researching on it. Alright, so according to the official website, the FX Pro Silver robot is specifically optimized for trading silver. It uses a combination of technical indicators and price action logic to identify entries on this volatile precious metal. So the EA is designed for both trending and ranging conditions on silver, with built-in risk management tools like stop losses, trailing stops, and lot sizing options. The developer emphasizes its specialization for silver's unique behavior compared to gold or forex pairs. Alright, so it runs on MT4 and is positioned as an automated solution for traders who want exposure to silver without constant manual monitoring. The system aims for consistent performance through disciplined rule-based trading rather than aggressive methods. So it's just one software. You make one payment. After your payments, there won't be any extra or additional fees along the way. The developer claims there are no monthly or hidden costs. Each algorithm is made market proof according to the developer, and they claim to take their testing techniques to a different levels for best delivery. Okay, so you can see most of their claims on the website. To this grid orders, you can see how it looks. The key features include silver specific optimization, multiple technical filters for entries, dynamic or fixed risk management, trailing profit protection, and customizable parameters for different trading styles. The inputs allow traders to adjust risk levels, time frames, and specific silver trading hours. Is marketed as a user-friendly EA. So apparently traders from all levels, being beginner to intermediate, can make use of this EA with even better benefits if you're a pro trader, and it offers enough flexibility for optimization. So you can see some of the screenshots here on the website. They didn't specify, okay, for the period of 331 days of using the EA, the growth was 180.6%, and there was a monthly growth of 9.9%. The profit factor was 13.99, and the risk to reward was 1.64. Right? It's important to note that these are just the developer claims. It's important to carry out your own testings on a demo account first before using this EA on a live account. So you can see how the the graph looks, how it grinds higher over time with these notable periods of spikes, and it looks like a step-like graph moving towards the upside for the period from October 2025 to June 2026. Okay. We also have another screenshot. A total return of 24.5%, monthly return of 9.9%, weekly return of 2.3%. We have a drawdown of um, zero, basically zero, big drawdown. Um, Trade win is 2.5%, profit factor of 13.99 for a period of 331 days as well. We can see how the graph looks for this as well. It's like we have on this first screenshot. Okay, so since this is a specialized silver EA, performance is highly dependent on silver market conditions, broker spreads on silver, and proper parameter settings. Silver can be even more volatile than gold, so risk management is critical. From available information and typical testing of similar systems, results can vary widely. Strong in trending silver markets, but challenging during choppy or low liquidity periods. Drawdowns are common with commodity EAs. The thing is, specializing in silver gives it focus, but it also means it's sensitive to that asset's specific behavior, news, and liquidity. Honestly, the features that matter most are conservative risk per trade, low spread broker for silver, and thorough demo testing on your platform. No EA works perfectly in all silver market phases. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, silver has wide spreads on some brokers, high volatility, and new sensitivity. Live slippage can hurt scalping or short term logic. Commodity EAs often require larger accounts for proper risk scaling. In practice, start very small and monitor closely during major economic releases. As for who is actually for, this ESUs traders specifically interested in silver who understand commodity trading and can handle volatility. It's good if you want a dedicated silver automated tool. Okay, you should probably avoid EA if you're a beginner. If you prefer major forex pairs, have a small account, or dislike volatile assets like silver. Overall, the FX Pro Silver Robot is a specialized EA for the silver market. It has potential for the right trader, but comes with the typical risks of commodity trading. Always test extensively on demo with your broker before considering live use, and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Alright, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex over from the description too. Trace it out there, and I'll see you in the next video.